A quick introduction to Java programming language. Java is a general purpose language, which means we can use it to create all types of programs. Java is a high-level language. It abstracts the details that we need to manipulate different parts of the computer. Java is a class-based language. It uses objects to manifest the relationship between them. We will discuss in details the classes in this course. Java is a platform independent. It can run on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, macOS, because the code that we create in Java will be translated into another code called intermediate code. And this intermediate code will be run by another system called JVM, which stands for Java Virtual Machine, that we need to install in our operating system. And we will learn how to install it later. See you in the following lecture.